Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I'm AJ. I'm going to run through these plays that we did. Just finished a 45 minutes of secret sauce, and I actually did some more trading live, and I did some win long, TDD, shop is moving, nice bounces across the board right now. I'm not in any trades at the moment, but if I do see a pullback again, I will be definitely in there. Okay, I just want to kind of go over a few trades that we did today, which were amazing on our list. And I'll pick, let's see, we'll go with Myrna, Acacia. What else did we do? Eons, Boeing, Tesla, Netflix, and IBM was good today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do one more. Did I do Beyond? Beyond was awesome today. It was our big win today. Let's start with Myrna. Myrna to me was a short at 23, 24 levels, and I wanted the stock to fade off all day long. And I was hoping for 21.80 on Myrna, and the stock ended up selling. Here's the short idea, and here's the morning pop idea to short the stock, and the stock came down to $21.70. It was a great win for everyone in the chat room. I loved it. Wonderful trade, and we really did well on that one. And I gave my reasons exactly why I wanted to short the stock as well. The next one we did was Acacia. This was another bio play. Casey was up on a study on a phase 2, as I described in Secret Sauce, why I wanted to short the stock. I called for a short at 24.25 in pre-market, any pop at the open. I felt the stock would come down to $18.25. I called 18.50 to 18. Felt it would come down. Stock came all the way down to $18.25, which is almost dead center. Exactly what I called it for. And then we were done with it. And then it just kind of played it. The next stock that Casey was we were doing was Ions. Ions was the parent company of Acacia, so that was also gapping up. And because I was shorting Acacia, I wanted to short Ions as well. I figured the stock would gap up and push to 63 at the open, and then it would top off and then short the stock. And as you can see, the stock hit 62.98 and then came down. So that was a really good one. That I liked, and this one I was looking for 61 and under, and the stock right now is currently trending at 61.30. Another great call we did today was Beyond Meats. This was an incredible play pre-market and at the open. I was calling for a long out of the gate. Actually, I called for a pull at the open to 123 level, scale in long for a nice push. I was looking for 135 for topping, and then I felt the stock would just kind of sell off and be done. Stock hit 134.70. It was a beautiful play. Everyone in the room won it for 10 solid points. The next one I called today was Tesla. This was a big call for me in the chat room. I called for a sell-off to 560 at the open, bottom curl, and then long, and I was pounding the table to go to $590 on the stock. I was relentless. I wanted 590. I wasn't going to stop till I got it, and we got 594.50. As you can see, it kind of grinded back down and hit that 560 again. Beautiful trade today. The next one that we did today was a stock called ACMR. This was a beautiful trade today. Called this one to the penny. Called this one for a pull-off, sell-off at the open to $43.50. Stock hit $43.58, and I wanted the whole world to go long, and the stock hit $51 a share. This was an analyst call, and you could see very clearly right here, ACMR 43 pullback at the open, and then a long all-day move, bottom curl to the upside. Stock did very well. Next stock we did was IBM. This was just a real easy trade for us in the room. I told everyone in the room the stock will pop at the open to 145.50 to 146 levels, scale in short, and ride it all the way down. I was looking for 141 on it. I ended up getting 142.50, so it still gave us about 3 to 4 points to the downside. Very nice trade. Next stock that we did today was Boeing. Boeing, I wanted to short it most of the morning. I felt the stock would sell off today to $303 a share. That's what I wrote. I know a lot of you are sitting there. There's no way anybody could predict that. It's not a prediction. It's just the way I trade. And it says it right there. I want to sell off to 303 and then bounce it. And if it popped at the open at 312, 313 would be the topping. Scale in short, take it down. The stock will hit 303 and under. Then you could bounce it back to 3012. You don't believe me? Look at the stock. 312, 303, 303, 312, 303. This is beyond anything you will ever see in any chat room in the world. Nobody will ever call something like this, and no one will put it in writing, and nobody will trade it. Nobody's got the balls to do what I just did here. Nobody. Nobody will put it in writing. Fuck that. I'm AJ. I do what the fuck I want. Next one, Netflix. This thing was going to get sold off today, 325 at the open, and then it was going to bounce off of that. I read the report. These guys are draining cash. It's just a matter of time. It's crazy. But for us as a stock, as a trade, want the stock to slam down to 325 level, bottom curl and go long. Got to give props to where they're due in this chat room. And the great Gianni Moore, great moderator, pre-market, all day in the mod in the room. He called this right here on the bottom curl. I myself was a little reluctant. Felt it looked like it could have pulled a little bit more, but Gianni caught this double bottom. I didn't see that right there. Next time I just need to kind of open my eyes to see what he saw. And it was a great call. And he just ran it all the way up and he sold it at 335. It was great, great fucking trade. I mean, you got to give the man props on that one. And then it just sold off back to 325 level, which you can see they're trying to hold it right here. 325 is the number for this stock. Probably sell for the next couple of days, but it was good for us. So we had Myrna, Acacia, Ions, Boeing, Tesla, Beyond, Netflix, IBM, ACMR. So I'll do those 8 or 9 charts tonight. Just an amazing day to trade today. I can't say. And then we did Shop and TDD. TDD, I mean, I could just go on and on. TDD, I called for a pop it open to 288 and then a flush to 280. that was a nobody. That was a nothing. And then Shop, I called for a pop it open to 475, 476. Scale in short, take it down to 466 and under, and that filled the gap there. I mean, this is what we do. I mean, I can go on and 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 on. Not to mention Raphael came in and gave us Neo on this pullback this morning, and when it flushed down and we were able to get that pop right there, that was dope. So anyway, hey, that's why we're called Awesome Calls. I look forward to trading with you tomorrow. $6.75 a day to be in here for a full month. Every day, $6.75 a day. It's $197 a month, and you can charge it a week, a day, whatever you want, and then we give you credit back if you want to join us for the month. So today basically was free for you. So plus we do secret sauce, and we teach, educate, and help the traders become amazing, and we do it every day. It was a great day to trade. Wonderful ideas, great opportunities. As you can see on my Twitter feed, bunch of winners, just solid people, just doing what they do best and just killing it. I mean, Bounty just knocked it out of the park. Thank you, Barney. I mean, some of these P&Ls were just insane today. I mean, even Solo killed it today. John did well, $716. Look at John today on Tesla alone. I mean, look at that P&L. This is what it's about. This is what we do. 1796 on that one. We shorted Myrna, as I told you. The great Palmer took care of that one, and we just killed it today. It was just amazing. Great calls today. All right, so I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. Take care.